So, engagement in new, repairing self-esteem. When there is a relationship termination, instead of waiting and reflecting on the relationship, people often create and enter rebound relationships. So, there's an issue in the core relationship. There's an issue in the main relationship. The main relationship could be a married partnership. It could be a long-term cohabitation partnership, but there's a problem in the relationship, and two parties to that main or core relationship are struggling with resolving their problems or their conflict. And what people often do is leave that relationship and go and enter another one for a short term. The problem with that is they don't reveal to the new partner that person is a rebound. Of course, no one would ever do anything like that, but it might solve a lot of confusion if the partner was just clear that the new relationship is not a relationship that's actually going to transition into a long-term relationship. A person could easily say, I'm just dating, right? So one of the researchers, Pierce, in the rebound effect, the use of short-term mating strategies after the dissolution of a significant and loving relationship, suggests that one of the most effective ways of repairing self-esteem is to prove oneself worthy and capable of successfully obtaining a new partner. And that's why the author is essentially pushing rebound relationships in a way to sort of repair that self-esteem that is lost. Usually when someone ends a relationship or the relationship is ended on their behalf, there's a self-esteem issue, and you feel like a loser in that moment. So people are more inclined to kind of pull at something that will help them to be a winner. Like if a partner is saying that they have a problem with you, and then you go and look for someone else, that new partner is not saying that they have a problem with you, right? And so that helps with your self-esteem. I don't agree with pursuing rebound relationships, but it is the research. This means that engaging in a rebound relationship shortly after a relationship termination is an obvious strategy for resolving anxiety and preventing depression. So you are highly anxious when you end a relationship or get out of a relationship, but there's a process that leads to depression. And what Pierce is suggesting is that to prevent depression, enter another relationship to repair self-esteem.